Hi everyone, the Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday offer is now live. Don't miss this deal with big discounts. In this video, I update with more details about what you get at Wealthy Affiliate. And also, I will show you screen captures to show you how to get your coupon to enjoy the discount. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and get updates on the best Black Friday deals for your online business. There are two levels of membership, so depending on which level you purchase, there are different goodies for you. Let's go to the blog post by the founder Carl, where he shares what each level will give you. There is the premium offer at only $299 per year. You get to save $289 off the regular price. This comes with a long list of goodies. You get access to everything with this premium membership, such as ongoing mentoring and expert help, online courses, access to 52 plus new expert classes, and web hosting for up to 10 websites. The web hosting itself makes this such a great offer. At $299, you don't have to pay for additional costs to host your websites. When you buy web hosting services, it can cost you hundreds of dollars already. At Wealthy Affiliate, you pay only $299 and you get all that plus web hosting service. Then there are the two bonus classes with Carl and Jay, the premium classes, and access to all 2022 updates. The next level is the Premium Plus at only $499 per year. You save $689 off the regular price. That's a huge discount. With this membership, you get to access everything with Premium Plus that includes ongoing mentoring and expert help, online courses, access to 250 plus new expert classes, and web hosting up to 50 websites. And again, this saves you web hosting costs. Then there are the 7 bonus classes by Carl and Jay. The Alphabet Soup X Beta Access, over 250 plus premium classes, and access to all 2022 updates. As you can see, the Premium Plus gives you a lot more, and it's so worth it at the affordable price of $499 per year. This offer is only going to be available for 4 days, from Friday, November 26th at 9 a.m. to November 30th at 11:59 p.m. PST. So that means it's on now. Don't miss this offer. Go to the video description below, click on the link to get this best Black Friday deal. Also, another thing to note is that when you get any of the above Black Friday deals, Premium or Premium Plus, you will be paying that same price forever. This year, the Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday sale comes with coupons. When you land on the Wealthy Affiliate site, you will see an advertisement at the top of the Wealthy Affiliate page. There is the Get the Discount button to click on. Click on that to get the Black Friday offer price. When you click on the Get the Discount button, it will take you to the Black Friday order page. Or you can click the Learn More to read the official blog post where this offer is explained further. Ultimately, you are led to the billing page where you will get a coupon discount automatically. Again, the coupon discount is automatically applied to your order and it offers the discount. But just in case if you don't see the coupon code, don't panic. I'm here to give it to you. And it is Black Friday 2021 Plus. There will be a $289 off coupon for Premium, which is a discount on the monthly pricing, and there will be a $689 off monthly pricing for the Premium Plus. I've actually done a few previous videos about this Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday deals. You would have seen the cards for this video as you watch this one. If not, I have left the links to those videos in the description below. As for the Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday deal, it is definitely worth getting it. So get it today. Go to the description, the video description below. Click on the link to get this best ever Wealthy Affiliate sale. I will continue to create and publish videos on business and marketing topics. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.